Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this very soggy Wednesday, February 21st. And you can see the number of 2-inch rainfalls, 2.36 over at Newaygo, 2.86 inches of rain at Clarksville, 2.79 at Lansing, a little over 2 inches at Middleton, and we also have 2 inches at Brown City. So again, very significant rainfall. Much of it's getting ready to move out of the area, but not for southeast lower Michigan into southwest Ontario, where we expect more in the way of rainfall here over the next couple of hours. If we take a look at the amounts that we had, this was as of about 4:55 when I did this morning. You can see some of the totals: 2.82, 2.68, 2.36, and we've added a couple more into that 2-inch range. And again, so far at that point, we were up to 1.73. Remember, the average I was shooting for is 1.8 to 2.3 when you consider the averages. I have some questions on Henderson. I think maybe that system there may be plugged. I don't see any way that they've only seen a half inch of rainfall, but maybe we'll have them look at that here later today. And if we look at the next screenshot, you can see a more graphical look at that. This is the target range where I want to see this particular bar here, the network average, in somewhere in this range. And if Henderson proves to be wrong on theirs, we may eliminate that, and they may actually push that above this range. But I think overall we're going to be right in the neighborhood. If we look at the radar here a little bit ago, you can see some of the activity moving from southwest to northwest, while the overall line is pushing slowly off to the east-southeast. And again, you can see on the backside of it where we become mixed with some freezing rain, sleet, and even some snow. And there could be some slippery spots, especially across portions of mid-Michigan. Eventually, that'll work its way off to the east as well. If we look at the extended outlook on this brief update for this Wednesday morning, you can see above normal in the 6 to 10 day outlook. And as far as precipitation, near normal. And if we look at the 8 to 14 day outlook, you can see that big trough now beginning to deepen across the west. Eventually, that's going to shift over into the central and eastern portions of the U.S. again, just in time for the end of the month, then to begin the month of March, which again may very well come in like a lion. We got another system we're going to be keeping an eye on. Looks like it could bring some more significant rain, especially if the GFS model is right. It has a pretty good deepening storm heading towards the Great Lakes for this weekend, so we could be looking at another round of significant rains. And the extended 8 to 14 day outlook precipitation wise calls for near to perhaps above normal, pushing in from the west. So again, winter's not over, but that's all I have for today. Thanks for stopping by. We'll be back with the normal broadcast tomorrow, and have a great day and 73s to all.